Welcome back, everyone. This is going to be a special one for me. It's very close to my heart. New York City's Twin Towers. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I didn't purchase the individual blocks like people usually get from the dollar store. I actually went to Five Below and got the whole thing for like $3, I believe it was. This is how I made the So these ones were already painted off camera. I actually painted 4 blocks. I bought this mirror from Amazon. I will leave the link below if you want to buy some. I'm going to do another project with these. Here I'm just using Dollar Tree adhesive glue and gluing on the mirrors. This is where my hot glue dies on me. I am so sad. I just got this as a birthday present from my son. Thank God I had a spare, but I absolutely hate it. I have to buy a new one from Amazon. So now I'll be taking my dollar store bling wrap and I will be cutting it into sections and then gluing it down where you can see the block in between each mirror. This new hot glue gun that I had as a spare was giving me a run for my money. I cannot wait to toss it in the trash. So I had 2 Dollar Tree mirrors. I took the mirror out of the top one and then I pulled out the tabs. You can use anything, pliers, anything to get all the tabs out. And then I glue these 2 together so it has like a 3D effect. So to make my city, I started off with the 2 towers. I placed one, then I placed the other one. The hot glue did not want to work, I swear. So now to start making the buildings around the towers, I just used regular things that I had on hand that were blingy, shiny, and pretty. Like this was mirror tiles that I had. I had little mirrors, big mirrors, bling wrap, anything that I had that I thought was pretty. I didn't keep it like that, the way that it looks there with the 3 mirrors on top of each other, but I did a bunch of different things. Off camera, I did use E6000 to glue the towers onto the mirror because the hot glue did not last. And I did get this ideal. It wasn't of New York, but I did get this ideal from Miss Beverly from Beverly Stunning Creations. Miss Beverly, this is your shout out. Thank you so much for the ideal. You guys should go over there and check out her channel. She's amazing. So this is what it looked like when I was done with the city. I do have to clean the mirror. I see fingerprints everywhere. But the towers are the only thing that has 3D effect. Everything else is laying down flat. This is ribbon that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I think for $1. It was on sale. It's so pretty. So I wrap the mirror frame around with it. Usually hot glue works perfect for this. I did get inspiration from Miss Beverly to make this, but I also had inspiration to make something to do with 9/11 because of the anniversary coming up, and so many people did lose their life that day, and I would like to pay respects to them. I did end up gluing more mirror around the border of it, but these diamonds are from Amazon. They're very small. So what I do is I flip them upside down and I started gluing them on the actual mirror so it looked like stars in the sky. And these bigger acrylic stones are from Michael's. They have the smaller size. I didn't like the way it looked. I just feel like it was way too small for the sky for New York. So all these come with like 1 or 2 bigger size, and that's the size that I use for this, for the moon. So this is the final product of it. I think it came out really, really nice. Let me know below if you guys like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching.